Bacho of Beacon High School. Today we are going to learn how to make a Santa Claus mask. Do you know, Bacho, Santa Claus, also known as Saint Nicholas, Kringle, Father Christmas, or simply Santa, is a legendary figure originating in Western Christian culture, who is said to bring gift to the homes of well-behaved, good or nice children on Christmas Eve. This Christmas party, make your own Santa Claus mask at home and enjoy with your friends and families. So let's start the work. Requirement we need to make a mask is drawing paper, pencil, eraser, black permanent marker, then brush we need, white color, yellow color, red color and brown color, a bowl with water, plate to mix the colors, stapler, scissors and black or any color, ribbon, or you can use thread. Now before starting the mask, you are going to take the measurement of your face with the hand. You are going to keep your hand like this on your face and take the measurement and mark it. Now my face is this much big, so I will mark it here with the pencil, and with this pencil I am going to draw a light center line also. So this much my face will come, and upper side the cap will come. So now here I am going to draw with pencil. If the pencil work, if you can't see that one, I will directly draw with a permanent marker. But better you don't try to draw with a permanent marker directly. First you use pencil. If it is wrong, you can erase it. So I am making with permanent marker, but you don't try. You try with pencil first, and then after that you are going to draw with a marker, the outline. So in this way I will first draw a cap, and then I will come for the face. In this way slowly we are going to draw the cap first, and then we will come for the face. Now see here, both the side combinedly you are going to draw, because as a freehand drawing, how we were making a work for freehand, right, left side first, then right side, we can go like that. Now this first outline I will make the same way on the right side also, the same line. Then I will come for the eyebrows. First I will complete for the right hand, right side eyebrow. Then you are going to take the measurement. Now take the measurement with the marker only. In this way, keep little gap in between both the eyebrows and mark it here. You are going to start the eyebrows from here, and the marking of the first eyebrow, it will be till here. So the same way complete the work with marker. In this way it will come. Now after that you have drawn the center line with the pencil. So first we will make a nose. A circle we will make for the nose, and then we will come for the eyes. Now first right side eyes I will make. In this pattern I am going to use. You can use your own pattern of the eyes. I am going to make like this. The same way we are going to take a measurement with the marker, and you are going to keep the same gap for the circle where you have started the eyes. The same way you are going to mark it here, and see the measurement, it will end here, and draw the second eye. You have to check that both the eyes should be equal in this way. After completing this one, we will come for, after that, after completing nose and eyes, we are coming for the mustaches. Now first one side we will complete slowly. You have to see the proportion of the face also. And after completing this one, take the measurement the same way with the marker and come for the right side and mark it here. So the second moustache you are going to do in a same pattern. You are going to draw in this way. Go slowly. You have to check that it should be seen the same. After completing both the moustache, you are going to come for the lips. Make a smiley face here. Now after completing this much, we will come for the beard part. Now we will first draw on the left side and the same we will bring to the right side. Now see the style. You are going to go through like this only. After completing this one, we will come for the right side. The same pattern we are going to draw here also. In this way, we will complete this part. After that, here some roundness will come. And for the hairs, we will do like this pattern. Now you can see that your Santa Claus face is completed of outline with a black marker. But you are going to try this one with the pencil first, and then after that you are going to use a permanent marker for the outline. Now we will start coloring. Now as I told, first we are now after completing the black outline with the marker, you are going to erase the pencil work wherever you can see that, and then you are going to take one rough paper down to your hand. And always I told you that while coloring you are going to start from upside down. So you are going to take a red color for the cap. You know that the cap color is red, so from top to bottom we will start the coloring. Now slowly and neatly, as you have drawn the outline with the black marker, you should not go out of that one, and slowly you will color complete cap. Now here we are going to show 2D work. So one side you are going to decide where you are going to make it dark and where you are going to keep it white shade. So I am going to keep a white shade on the right side and the dark shade on the left side. So while starting the coloring to cap, we are going to leave a space for the highlight. With the brush directly you can draw their highlight, or you can draw with pencil and keep that area as it is, and other area you are going to completely color it. So this white part will be the highlight. You are going to draw that one and keep as it is, and other part you are going to color of the cap. Now after completing a plain color for the cap, we are going to give a dark part here, a shading part on the left side. As I told that one side we are going to keep a dark and one side we are going to give light color. This stone we will complete. We are going to give brown color. We are going to mix brown color in the red color, so it will become little dark, and for the outline area we are going to color that one. So this second tone will be completed. In this way we will complete till here, and then this side part again it will go for the darker one. This way we will give it and complete it. Now after completing our cap, we will come for the face. Now for face we are going to first make a skin color, peach color. So for peach color we will need red, yellow and white. So mix it and prepare an exact skin color as I told. First take red color and then mix yellow color in that one. First see that how much yellow you need. It should look like orange little bit. In this way you are going to go on mixing neatly. The mixing should be very neatly.
And then last we are going to add white color in that. So first mix yellow in the red color. So after this you are going to clean your brush, or you are going to use another brush for the color. We are going to mix now white color in this one. Now you will see the changing of the color. It will go on changing as you are mixing white color in that one. Go on mixing neatly. Don't use more water for this color, otherwise it will get dull. So go on mixing white color. You can see the lightness of the color. If you need more white in that one, again you are going to clean the brush, or you are going to use another brush to mix to take the color. Just take white more and again start mixing that white in that. First we will need a perfect skin color for the face, and then we will apply the color. Now this is the perfect skin color which I need. If you want to add yellow, you can add yellow more. Now this is perfect for me, so I will use this color for the skin. Now first plain color I am going to give for the whole face, and the same way how we kept highlight for the cap, the same way I am going to keep a highlight on the right side first only with the pencil. Now the highlight will come here for the skin, for the face here. In this way I will draw with pencil and I will keep it as it is, and in other part I will give the skin color. Slowly you are going to apply the color. See the border line also you have to take the care of outline, and just go on giving a plain color for the face. Now after completing a plain color for the face, now we are going to on the right side we are going to give dark color. So for that one, in the same skin color you are going to mix brown so that it will become little dark, and it will come for the dark shading on the left side. So first mix a brown color in the skin color which you have prepared, and the same you are going to add that dark color wherever you want to show a dark shading. So as on the left side, first here it will come a dark shade. This way we will give first, we will complete this area first, and after this neatly check that it should not remain, it should be plainly colored. And then the eyes side also, upper side, we are going to give the same tone upon the black outline, so it will give a good effect to your mask. A 2D effect we are going to show in this way. Then for this chin we will come the same way. A little big part we will leave here as a darker, and downside to the black outline. The same way this right side also, the same we are going to give here. Downside it will come the same way. Side to the nose, the roundness, so it will give a realistic effect. And upside here near the cap, the same lines will come here. In this way we will complete the face work. Now after this one we will come for the nose. The nose, same red color we are going to apply here, and we are going to keep a highlight of white here. So with the pencil, first draw highlight on the right side in this way. And now all the extra part you are going to color with red. Slowly start coloring the nose with red. Keep the highlight part as it is and go on coloring slowly. It should not come out of the outline. Don't use more water while coloring. Use little thick color for the mask so that it will give a good effect to your mask. In this way, complete it. Now after completing this, the same red color we are going to use for the lips. Here the same color we will use here. Here is no need to keep a highlight. Direct plain color you are going to give. Now the same how we have used brown color for the cap, we are going to use little brown color because we have to show the dark part of the nose. So mix little brown in the red, and then on the left side we are going to show the shade of a darker part on the nose in this way. Got it? And now after completing this one, now for the hairs and now for the mustache and beard, we are going to give the strokes. Only we are going to give the strokes of brown color. Just strokes like this. I will show you. We are not going to color it plain because already it is white in color. So just strokes like this. Wherever you need, you are going to just apply a stroke. So the hair effect will come in this way. Just the strokes we are going to show. Make it light color, too light. In this direction we are going to give the strokes with the brush. Don't use a dark color here. Wherever you need, you are going to play the strokes in this direction. Go on giving the strokes. The same strokes we are going to give for the mustache in this direction. Don't give too much, just an effect we are going to show of the hairs. Wherever you need, you can play that one. Now after this one, now for the eyebrows also you can apply if you want, if you need, if you think that some shade it will be look good, you can apply there the light shade of a brownish there, so it will also give a good effect. Now after completing this one, now the eyes part, this everything this will be, we are going to keep as it is. Now for the eyes, the inside ball, with the help of scissor or cutter, we are going to cut this one completely, the eyeball of both the eyes. Now be careful while using cutter or scissor. You can take help of your parents or elder ones and just cut this part completely. We are going to cut it off. So slowly you are going to go only for the eyeball inside here. See the linings also, you have to take care of the linings. It should not move out of the outline. In that way we are going to use this cutter or a scissor. So if scissor is easy for you, you can use scissor or you can use cutter. If you are unable to cut with scissor or cutter, you can take help of your elder ones. Just remove this one, it will be removed easily. If it is not removing, again try on the same lines where you have cut it first. Easily you can remove the eyeballs from here. The same we are going to use here also. We are going to cut with the cutter easily or with the scissor. Now you can see that both the eyes are cutted. Now we are going to cut the outline of whole mask. Be careful that the black outline which we have done with permanent marker, you are not going to cut that one. So outside of that one you are going to use the scissor and cut the outline of the whole mask. In this way, slowly go on cutting. See that we are not going to cut the black outline of the mask. So slowly you can cut whole mask so that the outline, check the outline. Here after cutting our mask it will look like this one. After that one, the main thing, now we are going to tie the lace, or we are going to use a rubber band or a elastic if you have. So for that one we are here, you are going to check that where the holes are going to come. There with the pointed thing you are going to make a hole. Don't make a hole in the side, so it will come here with the, now I am making that hole with the scissor. Don't make the hole bigger one, and the same hole will come on the right side. Slowly you are going to do the hole, or you are going to take help of your parents if you can't, or if you have a punching machine you can make the hole with that one. So after making the hole, we are going to tie that one with the thread or with the rubber band or the elastic, whatever it is available with you. So here I am going to use the lace, and then for the both side I am going to put that one. In this way slowly we are going to do this work. We are not going to make it fast. So after this one, the same I am going to.
So this Christmas party, make your own Santa Claus mask at home and enjoy with your friends and family. Merry Christmas! Thank you.